Hey y'all, today we are going to be repotting, propagating, and maybe separating a few of these as well. Putting her in a stake. I got this from Walmart. She's definitely like half my size. I had to make my own little stake with chopsticks here. It's like 1, 2, and 3 chopsticks holding it with tape and some, I don't know what this is, but yeah. You can tell I have not watered her in a long time. You can see the leaves, they're like sad looking. So because I haven't watered her because of this exact same reason. And if I let her go, she will fall. Yeah, she's like, nope. This is the pot I'm going to be putting her in. I think it's a 6-inch. Should we take this stick off or should I leave it? What's it really doing at this point? Nothing. So let's take this little thing off. Okay. Well, look at that. It was like, no, I was actually doing something. Holding her, apparently. I'm going to leave it on. Let's pull her out from this mess. Lean towards me. Come on. Got it. Ah! See, I got it one hand. She's like, there. Struggling. I thought you would be easy. Come on. Nah, I'm ruining the leaves. I'm ruining her. Stop. Okay. Stop. What did I just... Okay, this is serious. What? This is happening. I gotta go like this. I'm not thinking clearly. Go like this. And then there's some tabs. Go like this. I'm sorry that you have to come out. God, all of that. For that. All of that. For that. I'm holding you upside down. I'm so sorry. But look at those roots. She's like really root bound. There's 5. I really don't think there's going to be any separating going on at all because of how root bounded she is. I don't want to go in there and just mess with her even more. Yeah, I'm already breaking leaves. See? Thought it was gonna be easy, but it wasn't easy. Stay. Let's see if we can do this. Comes in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 2, 3. Was it supposed to be like this? I am so sorry. Hit moss pull, but I've never. It had no instructions. Like this, maybe? Oh. Yeah, like that. I need help. Thought I could do this by myself. Oh my God, you're like, what was I thinking? How do people repot these? Well, my other human is not here. That motherfucker's at work. Ah! Stop! Oh, it felt like it was breaking. I don't don't think I've ever struggled repotting anything. There's always the first. When someone's home. I'm sorry, but I have to. Something. Okay, the last one. It's still gonna tilt. I'm gonna have to switch to a heavy pot that will help it. I found this pot that I have, and it's I want to say ceramic. It's really heavy, by Urban Jungle. So hopefully it'll keep it in place while I do my thing. It's still tilting. What do I do? Okay, so I'm pushing it really hard on the soil, kind of compacting it. And I think that's sort of helping. I got real quiet there, didn't I? All that focus. Okay. Oops, my bad. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. It won't propagate her until I water her, so I guess I lied. Come back for part 3 when I do propagate her. I won't be separating these, but I will be adjusting them so they can continue going up with each other. So yeah, let me go get some water. Got some filtered water, and I'm just going to water her. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is what she is looking like now. She's been watered. Just give her 24 hours and we'll be back. I really messed her up. I am so sorry, baby girl. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to clean your leaves. I don't want to mow it too much. I am scared you will fall. So I'm just gonna leave you.